Some dishes are meant to be shared, and this is one of them. Bring your friends, bring the family, bring the party over to your house this summer and try this clam bake. Look at how beautiful it just looks. The presentation, the soft, sweet potatoes, the sweet corn, the delicious clams, that amazingly rich andouille sausage, and the clams are just gonna pop right out of the shell. This is what it's all about. We're gonna start with andouille, and if you're unfamiliar, it's that delicious Cajun sausage that's got a little heat to it, and it's perfect for anything. We're gonna take a cast iron, Le Creuset, Lodge, whatever the pot is that you have, something that's nice and heavy duty. We're gonna put that on our griddle and let it start getting hot. To that pan, real simple, we're gonna add some butter, smashed garlic cloves and shallots, and just start bringing out all those flavors. When you smash up that garlic and you slice those shallots and they just cook and simmer in that bubbly butter, it is the base of incredible flavor that's the start to so many dishes out there, and it's especially delicious with this clam bake. Our andouille sausage is on the grill. We want to develop that amazing char, because again, guys, we're grilling. Char is flavor, and we want to develop that andouille sausage love going in our clam bake. Once that, we have our butter melting out with our smashed garlic and sliced shallots. The aroma of this is already a happy place. From there, guys, it's all just a dump. That's why this recipe is so great and so easy and so quick. We have our peeled on shrimp. They're not peeled. It's gonna be a peel and eat process here, guys. We're eating with our hands. It's a clam bake. We're outdoors. We're having fun. We have our littleneck or top neck clams, whatever you can find, as long as they don't get too big, because the big ones are gonna get a little tougher. Our yellow baby potatoes that we just cut in half, just really to help them cook a little bit faster. And then we have our corn on the cob that we cut into little pieces, so everything's gonna cook together at the same time. And the last thing we're gonna add is that amazing Old Bay seasoning and Paul Prudhomme, because why not? The classics, they work incredible. And white wine, we're gonna put about a cup or so in there. Guys, the white wine, it could also be beer or something you favorite. It doesn't matter, but we want it when that white wine mixes with that butter and the garlic and the shallots and the clam juice. Oh, we are in a happy place that is gonna be amazing to dip our grilled charred bread into. So all of these ingredients, they're just gonna go into this pot with the garlic, the shallots, and the butter. Remember, friends, delicious does not need to be difficult. It's all gonna go into one pot. It's really simplicity that is king here, and it's all gonna be delicious. We're gonna take our andouille sausage that we charred up, we're gonna cut it into nice big chunks, put it right back into that pot, then we're gonna finish it with just some fresh chopped parsley. Why? Because it's gonna give that nice bright flavor, as well as that beautiful green contrast to our clam bake. And last but not least, we want some more brightness, some more acidity. We're taking some fresh lemons, cutting them into nice little quarters, and squeezing that fresh juice all over the clam bake for that last bright bite. I have some sourdough bread today that's kind of on a thicker slice. I love the sourdough bread. It could be baguette, it could be Tuscan loaf, it could be whatever it is that you like, as long as you grill it. We want that charry flavor, and we also want it to get a little crunchy, so it's sturdy enough that we can take a raw clove of garlic and rub it all over to that bread. It's an old Tuscan Italian trick that I learned in my years of cooking Italian food, but it adds an amazing garlicky flavor to the bread, and then when we finish it with the extra virgin olive oil, you'll have a feast with just garlic bread that's delicious on its own. If you guys are like me, and you like clams as much as I do, and the shrimp, the corn, the potatoes, the sausage, everything that goes into it, and don't forget this amazing grilled sourdough bread to dip into that white wine and that butter sauce, this is just a complete meal that's perfect for sharing every summer, or really any day of the week of that matter, when you want to have an incredible clam bake. Bring the friends over and let's just have fun. Guys, send us your comments. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and tell us what it is that you want us to learn, what you want to learn to cook, because I want to teach you. This dish is one of those things that you definitely have to make and give it a try, because it's so good. If clams and shrimp are your thing, which they are mine, you are going to be in a very, very happy place. I'm Matt Abdoo, and I'm your Grill Guide.